I'm done with our case for today. Gore-Tex rhinoplasty, structural rhinoplasty. So, yung patient po has an overhanging ala, meaning yung gilid ng ilong niya nakababa. No, masyadong nakababa daw. So, we have to lift it. So, overhang correction or alar lift. No, in-alar lift po niyan para lumabas yung columella, yung gitna. No? So, we did an alar lift. Then, T-plasty, no, para yung lapad ng ilong mawala, gumanyan, kasi we lift the tip. So, yan na po. That is the tip, the Vasquez tip. No, V-tip. Then, we place the Gore-Tex. Yung Gore-Tex po, yung height ng Gore-Tex is always dependent on the height of the tip. No, kung gaano kataas yung tip, doon po magbabase yung kanyang bridge. So, I also did yung kanyang alar trimming. No, kasi wide nga yung ilong. So, mas kinaiangat yung tip, medyo meron pa rin ano sa ala niya, wide pa rin. So, we have to trim, alar trimming. So, yan na po. The works, ika nga. No? Another day, another surgery. Hi, I'm done with the scar revision. So, yung patient po natin meron medyo unpleasing to the eye na scar sa infraumbilical or ilalim ng puso, no? Because of the cesarean and nagkaroon siya ng surgery before na ectopic pregnancy. So, yung kanya pong scar is lumapad, nagkaroon ng keloid. So, medyo hindi maganda sa mata. So, we have to revise. So, ito po ngayon, I remove the scar, did undermining, then tinahipo natin ng mas maganda po. No? So, we will see her after a week. Another day, another surgery.